Pete One is a Belgian graffiti artist. He is fairly well known in the graffiti world. He has already shown his artwork in many places, such as abandoned factories, schools and other buildings. Today we are going to one of these buildings to enjoy his beautiful work. Of course, we will also share this with you. This way, boring Urbex locations become interesting to visit. He has created artworks of many famous figures such as Bart Simpson, Freddy Krueger and even Owen Wilson and John Leguizamo. Have fun watching this short but powerful video. Welcome everyone to this brand new video on our YouTube channel. Today we are at an abandoned school in Belgium and they call this place the Pete One School. Why are they calling this place the Pete One School? Well, that's basically because there is beautiful art, beautiful graffiti, and we're going to show you that now. Let's go. So, Omi is with me as usual. So, this is art from Pete and he is making some very beautiful art. See, this is graffiti. These are two actors. It's very amazing to see. Also this art, you see, it's from Pete. He made this. It's beautiful. Let's go through this door because there is much more art to show you. So, this is pretty creepy. There is a skull painted on the wall. Actually, I think this was like an old kitchen. There is nothing left in this building except graffiti. Graffiti is basically a kind of vandalism if you do it on beautiful spots such as castles and things like that. But this is an old abandoned school with nothing inside, you know, and then it doesn't matter to me. Not in shadows with everything inside. When I was young, I watched horror movies on TV. From Freddy Krueger, Nightmare on Elm Street. It's Freddy Krueger, bro. Also that baby. As you can see, there is much more. Here's some Japanese character. I'm not sure what's her name, but I think it's Japanese. Here we see a clown. I guess this was a kitchen or something. And you see how the tiles even are the same color as on the wall. Respect don't break stuff. If we catch you, we don't call the police. I wish this was in every spot.
Gizmo, oh ja, ik ken van mij.
Ja, jawel.
Ja?
Is dat niet verstaanbaar? So here we see another beautiful art. From the movie Gremlins. This is Gizmo, the good one. This is Gremlins, the bad one. And here you see an egg. That's the egg from Gremlins, you see? It's such...
You know too why? If Gizmo, the good one, have a water on his head, then he changed into the bad one, the Gremlins.
Okay, so if the good one gets water on his head, then he turns into a bad guy.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Dan wordt de
and
Gremlins.
what's making sense about the egg, Omi?
Weet ik niet meer. Ik moet de film nog eens zien.
Mommy really need to rewatch the movie, and so do I.
Is dat van...
Here you see a beautiful art from the movie Alien, with someone in space, but someone ruined the artwork. So sad to see. Some bad people painted a dick. I don't get it why. But yeah. It feels good to get lost in the right direction. I think that's true. If you are lost, then you always hope that you are going into the right direction. That's true. They really must have been put a lot of work in this to make such a big art. The original flavor. Kaboom. I think there are also some artists who come here to practice their tags, because this is all a tag like Pedro. Also, if you see these details, so much details that he threw into this painting. That's basically amazing, man. There is also an art from Pluto, from the artist PG. And we are the first that see this because a minute ago they were still here to make the last finishings of, how do you say that? I mean the finishing touch. So I think that was everything. It's a short video, I know. So I think we have seen everything in this abandoned school.
Yes.
Nice graffiti art on.
Yes, indeed. I like graffiti art, and such a beautiful like this. It's hard to find. It's very nice.
The graffiti art, you mean?
Yes.
The spot itself is like collapsing, but yeah, it was a great find, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like our videos, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you next time.
Bye. Don't forget to push the don't forget to push the blue button and like our video.
She means don't forget to press the bell button.
No, the blue button.
There is no blue button.
The thumb.